Hi, this is Paolo with AEvent support. In this video, we will be discussing the revision section of a timeline. To start, let's log into your AEvent account. Once logged in, let's open the timeline we'd like to restore to a previous version. From this page, from the left-hand menu, you'll see the revision section under version history. When you click on it, you'll see all the previous versions available that you can restore your timeline to. You'll see the date and the time of the previous versions available. Select the one you want to restore your timeline to. Click on Restore to the right. You will get a pop-up prompt asking if you want to load the revision. If you are decided, click on Restore. Otherwise, click on Cancel. You'll see a confirmation message saying that the revision is restored. That would be all for this video. As always, please reach out to support if you have any questions. If you like this video, please comment below, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to our channel to get notified when we add more videos. Thank you for watching.